Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make quote cards. First, select a powerful quote that truly speaks to your audience. Next, choose a user-friendly design tool like Canva or Adobe Express. These platforms offer excellent templates. Finally, pick a background image or color that perfectly complements your quote's message, setting the right tone for your visual. Now, let's focus on design. Always use a clear, readable font. Sans serif options are often best for digital screens. Ensure there is strong contrast between your text and the background so it's easy to read. Remember to keep the quote itself brief, ideally under 20 words, to maximize its visual impact and message retention. To enhance your quote card, incorporate a relevant image or a subtle background texture that adds visual interest without distracting. Don't forget to subtly include your brand's logo or social media handle, perhaps in a bottom corner. This helps maintain brand recognition and consistency across all your shared content, reinforcing your presence. For the final step, export your finished quote card in a high-resolution format, such as JPEG or PNG, to ensure clarity. Optimize the image size for your chosen platforms. For instance, Instagram often uses 1080 by 1080 pixels. Then, confidently share your beautifully designed, inspiring quote card across all your social media channels.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.